This fighter jet didn't stand a chance. Its advanced systems were neutralized almost immediately upon entering the airspace.
Come on, pull up! She's not responding! Mayday, mayday, going down hard!
The sheer force of a sudden impact transforms a modern airliner into a devastating million-dollar fireball.
Total loss. The recovery team works against the clock to salvage what they can of the downed fighter jet. When a jet impacts the ground at full speed, the kinetic energy is instantly converted into a catastrophic explosion and a massive fireball.
The fire suppression system completely failed.
Look at the extent of the damage on the starboard engine.
Mystery in the sky. What caused this sudden fall?
Get those vehicles moving, we need to secure the site! Watch the smoke, I think the fuselage is compromised.
Emergency, emergency. Flight systems failing. Ejection sequence initiated.
Fatal error. The split second that changed everything.
Is it mechanical failure or human error? Let's analyze the footage.
High-tech sensors couldn't save this jet from gravity.
This is the reality of high-stakes military aviation.
Why do pilots wait until the very last second to eject?
Out here, survival depends on speed and strength. One mistake, and you're gone.
Increasing the angle of attack causes the airflow to separate from the wings. This dramatic loss of lift and dynamic stall.
Can a pilot survive an impact like this?
The deformation suggests extreme heat, localized failure before impact.
We need to bag this section immediately for lab analysis.
Initial assessment points to engine malfunction.
Confirming that now. We need the flight recorder data immediately.
Flameout checklist engaged. Fuel valve secure. Initiating air start sequence now.
Move! Covering fire!
Witness the sheer force of impact in slow motion.
Bravo team, move up to the rim, secure the area. Watch the helicopter downdraft, stay low. Radio check, we are approaching the target zone. All personnel, emergency deployment. Get to your vehicles now! Move out!